In this video, I am going to show you how to fix error code 0x80004002 in Windows 11. So this should be quick and easy process video. Now just go ahead to your search menu, type in Troubleshoot Settings. So now after you do that, just go ahead and click on Open on the right side. After that, just wait a couple of seconds, then click on Other Troubleshooters. After that, run the Windows Update Troubleshoot. So go ahead, click on Run, then a window will open up for you here. So just follow the steps inside the window, and after you finish, just click Exit. So if the problem still persists, you can go ahead, right-click on the Windows icon, then click on Device Manager. So now after you click on Device Manager, just go ahead, click on Yes on the Windows. It will open up for you. And now the Device Manager will open up. So just choose the device that has a problem. Let's say, for example, display adapters, then right-click on the driver and click on Chirik. After that, click on Search automatically for drivers. And now you will be headed to the Windows Update. So if you have any Windows Update available, just go ahead, click on Check for Updates. And if you have any, just install them and restart your computer. After that, just go ahead, type in CMD, click on Run as Administrator, and now the command prompt window will open up for you. After it opens, just go ahead, type this command SFC // scan now, then hit Enter. After that, scan will check place and just wait a couple of minutes and then click Exit. After that, just restart your computer for changes to take place. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.